Hey everyone, so a few months ago I wanted to get rid of the DVR rental fees that Comcast has. So I went online and I bought a DVR off eBay. Decent unit, pretty nice, like touch buttons. And then I had the most difficult time actually trying to get Comcast to let me use it. What they offered is the ability to buy a $10 a month card and then activate the box. But they only charge a $10 rental fee anyway, so I said screw it. So I paid about $40 for this. It was a waste. But rather than throwing it away, I want to pull the hard drive out. This is going to be a quick video to show you how to do that. So let's go like this. Alright, so after some searching online, I found this tool here that you need to take off the screws in the back. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it's kind of like a little star. On the side it says 4.5. I'll try to put a link to where I bought it. So you gotta take the screws off the back. Normally you can't do this because you rent your box, but for some reason you come across a DVR, you can always grab it. So there's the hard drive. It's a 320 gigabyte hard drive. Things are pretty cheap these days, but since I only paid $40 for this, I figure it's not so bad. So I thought I could pull this out, but it looks like I have to unscrew it. Looks like it's attached to some kind of tray. Alright. There's these little metal things you have to bend to see if you can hear you. I don't care about any finesse. Like I said, I'm throwing this thing in the trash, so I don't give a shit what happens to it. Okay, once you lift it up, I guess I don't even need to... Oh, there it goes. Alright, so that's it. There's some screws here in the back if you want to take that part off. But otherwise, get a hard drive here. How do I... Oh yeah, you do got to take it off because otherwise you have to use this terminal. So yeah, you definitely need to take off this this piece here. Actually, no, you don't. Watch this. Just go like that. And then bend these little things here. It should come up. There we go. Boom. Yeah, and then I have the hookups for these. So yeah, get a hard drive. It's better than just tossing this whole thing in the trash. Well, I'm gonna put it in one of those recycling things, maybe at Best Buy. A piece of dust in there. So that's it. Okay, hope this helped.